thank you for being here. I have to say it's quite a pleasure to see that many faces here today. My name is Arthur Gassner. I am a software engineer at biped, and today I will present to you the biped device, as well as how we're giving vision to blind and visually impaired people through sound. So let's dive in. There are currently 2 million people that are blind in the US, and roughly 3 in Europe. On a day-to-day basis, the main thing they struggle with is avoiding obstacles, especially the ones that cannot be detected by the white cane. That means anything above the hip. On top of that, understanding crowded places is also a hard task. In those kind of environments, they need to identify individual objects and then track that object's trajectory. While doing so, they also need to be able to filter out all of the irrelevant informations that they might have picked up. And then finally, there's navigating. Going from point A to point B is something where they usually require the help of either a relative or a mobility trainer. Yet, more and more, we're seeing in the streets of all over the world, this is taken in San Francisco, fully driverless cars. And so we thought, is there a way that we could bring those kind of technologies onto the pedestrian level, at the level of blind and visually impaired people? And that's why we started developing biped. Biped is a small harness that sits on the shoulders. It has a set of 3D cameras that can give the user a 170 degrees field of view, and then those cameras will use with the system to detect, track, and predict all surrounding elements and their trajectories. We then filter them out and only give the user the most relevant information. And that will be given through a 3D sound. The way the feedback system works is after filtering out what matters to the user, typically is the user going to hit something, we create a 3D sound. A 3D sound is essentially a sound where you can hear if it's coming from the left or from the right. Is it close or is it far? So basically, the user is able to know what is the object. Is it a car, a bench, a chair? Where is it located? And also whether it matters to him or her. Is it going to hit that person? I will now show you a small demo videos that we've done with blind users, or tests we've done. This was done in Netherlands, where you can see the group of people. This was right after the CES. And this is with the Lex Gillette, a Paralympic Olympian. So far, we've tested the device with more than 100 people, and the feedback we've had is that it's ambitious and easy to use. They can see themselves use it roughly every day. That's it. If you have any questions, I'd be more happy to reach out. I would be glad if you could reach out. My name is Arthur Gassner. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to hear from you. Thank you.